I love the glasses. I love when I like doing this. I feel like I'm like laser focused when I do this. Is it true or not? I don't know.
It's up to you, depending on what you can see.
But I feel
it's the same for me. All right, beautiful people, welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and this is the lovely
Chrystle Jones.
We are back doing our marriage videos. Yes, we finished the 4 myths that we wanted to share with you all. If you didn't see them, just put a little link up there. You saw it. You can check one of them out. You just find the other ones from there. However, we're still talking about marriage because marriage is something that's near and dear to our hearts.
It's a thing.
Probably because we're married. So, you know, we just want to go ahead and share some things with you.
So, this week, we're going to be talking about operating as a unit. That's big, especially in those early years in marriage. And all right, come on, we gotta stand up.
Huh? We gotta stand up?
Yeah, that's how they did it. I saw the video.
Oh snap!
Come on, work together. Lean on. I'm gonna lean on. No, you don't. Lean
I'm sliding.
On me. I'm gonna lean on you. And I gotta get the leverage.
Okay.
So I can get the leverage. Come on. You got. Look.
What are you gonna do? Can I touch the floor?
No, you can't. You gotta keep our arms like this.
What?
If you would work together
right,
with me, this would work.
I just got up.
We gotta unify. Come on.
I just got up.
You got up. What about me? What about me?
We gotta do it together.
Okay, come on then. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I'm not moving. This isn't working.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Are you up? I'm up. Are you up?
No.
I'm up.
Okay, let's do it again.
Okay.
We'll both go up at the same time. Okay, we gotta do it together.
Okay.
All right. Same time, same team.
Are you counting or am I counting? Are we gonna count together? And
I'll say 2 and we'll say 3 together.
Okay. 1,
2,
3.
3.
You did it!
That was good.
Teamwork. Dreamwork.
Unify, gotta be unified. Unify. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead, like and comment and subscribe to this channel because we have so much for you, you know. So go ahead and do that.
Yeah. We all about helping people, especially in those early years in marriage.
Especially the first 5.
Yeah, especially the first 5. My husband and I, Mr. Ricky Jones Jr.
That's me.
We had to remind each other, and we said this even in a previous video, like, same team. We're on the same team. And that's really a mental shift that has to take place because when you get married, you still have a mom, a dad. If you have siblings, brothers, sisters, you're attached to them, but now you have a new family unit. Like, that takes precedence to moms, dads, brothers, sisters, cousins. Like, your new family unit that's A1 is this. And I know even some of y'all right now are like, it's hard to hear. It's hard. Cause you're like, nah, but like, I know my siblings since birth. Like, this is your new, not us literally, but like, you know, you and yours. Like, that's your new unit. Like, and y'all gotta, as one. When you got married and you said your vows and all, and it was like, you know, till death do us part, and you know, the whole 2 become 1 thing. Like, you have to operate as if the 2 of you are becoming 1 and put that unit first. You want to weigh in, Mr. Ricky Jones Jr.?
Operating as a unit, of course, can mean so many different things to various people. With it meaning to me, and what I want to share with you all, is the idea that as you all are unified in marriage and, you know, all that good stuff after I do, there are various things that you all may want to see for your family, see for your life to take place, and all those different things. Well, in order to see those things through, with peace, with happiness, with your family unit staying the unit. Of course, this is our unit. You have to talk. You have to communicate about the things that you want to do and the goals and aspirations that you have so that your spouse isn't caught off guard. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so many things that she wants to do. There's so many things that I want to do. But we have to come together with those various ideas and see how they fit. For example, I got some blocks. I was like, I'm going to figure out how I'm going to do this demonstration. Anyway, so, nope, I want to do purple. So Bloom, unify. Why purple? Because I love LSU. I'm always about like college football on Saturdays. Like that's my thing. She knows that's my thing. However, in her knowing that that's my thing, we have a unified understanding that on Saturdays when LSU is playing, Ricky will be in front of the TV eating pizza, watching the game. Okay, boom, that's my block. Chrystle has everything that she wants to do. She wants to go and dance at church. I love her doing dance. Takes a lot of time, but it's okay. It's her thing. This is her dance. You know, this is our family. This is our unified collaboration of one. Boom, like that's her thing. She loves cooking. I don't really love cooking. If you haven't seen the cooking videos, do yourself a service and see the cooking videos. She loves cooking. Boom, this is her thing. What's another one of my things? I love being outside. I love going outside, cutting the grass, working out in the yard, fixing things, figuring out things. I do those things. This is my thing. So all of this is just showing, it's not even all of it because there's so many other things. Like she writes books, she has groups, she does all kind of other things and things like that. But you know, the list can go on. However, in it all, it's still like one tower, signifying the unity of us as one. So as married couples, as husbands, as wives, as people who are desiring marriage and desiring a spouse, know that in all that you build, you're building it together. And you have to communicate to know what the person likes. So it's not something that you get caught off guard when they say they want to do it. Like, it's no surprise to her that I want to watch an LSU game. Why? It's my block that unifies the marriage. There's no surprise there. So, in all that you're doing, man, just talk, communicate, and know that in unifying all that you do, it's one unit.
Yes.
One tower, one block.
Like Ricky said, we have recreational stuff that we do. We have businesses that we do together. And so we're definitely going to have more information for you guys concerning those things. We got some stuff coming for y'all, so be on the lookout for that. And we're really going to go into detail on how we balance and work together as a unit in allowing each other to do the recreational things that are important to us, as well as how we balance working together, having business together, expanding our goals and dreams together. So be on the lookout. We have something coming for you guys, especially those of you aspiring to get married and those in your first 5 years of marriage. So be looking for that. If you are a go-getter couple, if you are a couple that considers yourself ready to want to change the world, do some things,
that be us too.
You want this information that we're going to be given, because yeah, we have collectively, I don't know, a couple businesses. And it's fun though. It's fun, and we've overcome some humps in working together through communication and all of that. And like I said, even
unified tower.
Unity is a thing, and there's like balance that comes with that unity. But like I said, we're gonna go into that much more. So be on the lookout.
All right, so in it all, we love you all, we thank you all, and we want your marriage to be great and successful and dominate your area. You are the change that your family needs and the change that your kids will look up to realize and know that marriage does still exists, and it still is important, and it still does make a difference. So we're here to talk to you, sharing our life with you so that your life can be greater. And as we say at the end of all videos, don't keep up with the Joneses. Why? Because you have so much greatness on the inside of you that this world needs. So be all that you are and not copying somebody else, because it'll frustrate yourself and it'll limit what this world really needs. Be you, be great. Until next time, peace. Probably because we're marriage.
Recreational activities.
Not doing crack.
Not cracktivities.
Not doing crack.
Recreational
Put these blocks down.
activities.
Wow. I had to run that recreational. This has been the blooper. You went somewhere I did not expect to go. Okay. Woo. Okay.